again here with another video, and in today's video I am here to show you guys off this cute unit by Sensational. And this unit came out it's probably been like a year since this wig, since Sensational actually released this wig. But show you guys the deets, what it looks like before I styled it, and also I'm going to just show you guys how I styled it. Now this is Sensational's Vice HD Lace wig. This is Vice Unit 10. This is the 10 unit that Sensational released. I got it in the color LT271, and what pretty much that color is, it's basically just a 27 here, which is basically just a darker, like a darker blonde, and then it fades out into this dark black color, which is the number 1. This wig does tangle just a little bit. Well, I don't want to say a little bit, but it does do some tangling for the most part. So if you can find a way to reduce like the tangling at the ends, a little bit of snags here and there, then this wig will be fine. But I really love this wig, I really do.
Living free, wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks, 'cause somehow we made it. We're always protected by.
The way that I styled it, I actually fell more in love with it. I did review the same unit, but I reviewed it more in like a black and a purple color. I believe the whole wig was black, and then wherever you see this black part, that's where the purple was.
Into this reset, get into this reset. Take a skill for stopping, called the ladder. Get into this reset, yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset, into this reset. Take a skill for stopping, called the ladder. Get into this reset, yeah. I'ma adjust my clock like daylight savings, next era unlocked, and I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new, but this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over, owe me on a new vibe. Bitch, you blowing my high, gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah, reset.
I believe that they do have like a lime green color that you can try. All the cuter colors are more so on Amazon. I did see that, but I really like this color. I really like it. I love how I trimmed it to like trimmed it in the front somewhere you can kind of see my bangs a little bit. But I really like this wig. This wig is not glued down at all. I didn't have any hair glue to glue this wig down, so that's why it's not glued down. So that's that. So that basically concludes this hair review for today, you guys. I mean, that's all I had to say about the wig. I mean, go and buy it. The fall is coming. And what does that mean? Tika's about to be reviewing some more wigs, because that's the only time that I technically can wear my wigs. It just be too daggone hot in Arizona to be wearing a wig all the time. So that's why I like to change it up. In the wintertime, I like to wear my wigs, and then in the summertime, I like to just wear my natural protective hairstyle. So that's probably what I'll just continue doing anyway. Just giving you guys more of the wig review content for the fall and the winter, and then when it when it comes to the summertime and the springtime, it starts to get a little warmer, a little hotter, then that's when I'll come and show you guys more of my more of my natural protective hairstyles, more like the braids, the twists, the faux locks, whatever you want to call it, whatever protective style. That's probably what I end up start doing. But you guys, I hope that you found this video interesting. I hope that you decided to go ahead and buy this wig. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a like. And you guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Peace out, you guys. Bye.